We just can't keep going the direction that we're doing without a sound energy policy. In California, the reserves that we have is an answer to numerous problems that we have in the state and the local economy. Again, I am an avid surfer. I enjoy clean, clear water. I don't want to see our channel jeopardized. However, we can do both, and we need both.
SOS California is dedicated to educating the public about the environmental and economic benefits available by opening offshore production. Our goal is to empower the public with scientific facts and research to fuel inquiry and a search for answers. The best agent for positive change is an informed public.
What we've learned is that the legacy offshore oil production that's been going on off the coast of Santa Barbara all these years has ultimately cleaned up the air, cleaned up the beaches, and cleaned up the water of our coastal environment like no other human endeavor has ever done. Future generations will always live to benefit from the cleaner coastline, beaches, and air that we've come to see come as a reality because of offshore oil production.
California needs to trust its own proven safety record and lead the way to responsible production of our country's offshore reserves. We could once again provide quality education for our children, good steady jobs throughout the county and state, and keep our government services intact.
We are faced with a crude reality. The state of California is broke. Yet the road to energy and economic independence is within our reach.